You're going to press the lock button 3 times. Give it a second, turn on the ignition, fuel pump, all that good stuff, and she'll crank right up. Alright, so we got 18 Silverado. We're going to put a remote start in. As you can see, it's going to be integrated in at the BCM and then the OBD2 connector. So we're going to go right here underneath the dash panel on the driver's side. And you'll see that the BCM is the module right here with all the colors. We're going to use the white, blue, and green. And on some applications, we will use the OBD2. So this one is held on by 7mm. The rest of these you just pop out by pushing this clip in and then pulling the connector straight out. Once you guys have the T-harness installed at the BCM location, you can see up here, tuck them up and over to the right, and then you'll see that I put a zip tie right here to hold everything securely in place. Now the pigtail that comes over and plugs into the module, you're going to basically route it up the dash and it's going to come over to right here. So on the Silverado, we're going to pull this straight out. You don't have to undo the bolts at the bottom that hold this in unless you want to, but our module is going to zip tie right back in here. So the next step is going to be grab your wires that go to the module, feed them up right through here. Once you guys have the wires up here at the location where the module is going to reside, go ahead and grab the installation guide that came with the kit. You're going to plug the module in, follow the steps for programming. Alright, as you can see, we are back from stage 2. We followed the couple steps and everything is good to go. I zip tied the module to the metal brace here so it's secure back in there. You basically just want to make sure that it's not going to bounce around or rattle while you're driving. So let me pop this dash panel back on and we'll get outside the car and give you a demo. Alright guys, so we got the 18 Silverado all wrapped up and we're going to go ahead and show you how to operate it off of the OEM key fob. So you're going to press the lock button 3 times. Give it a second, turn on the ignition, fuel pump, all that good stuff, and she'll crank right up. This will work on the diesel models as well. Obviously this one's a gas. It does remain locked while it's remote started, so if you grab the handle, it's locked. Just simply hit the unlock button. You can get in. The heater and the air conditioner will stay on to wherever you left it last. And then to do takeover, you simply put the key in, turn it forward to the on position, tap and release the brake pedal, and now that kills remote start, and you can see the tacks on. Put it in drive, and away you go. I'm going to show you guys a little trick here on the on our GM kits. So truck's off right now, I got the key. We're going to just go ahead and start it. So say you're going to drive to the store real quick, you just need to make a quick run in and run out, and it's either 120 degrees in the summer or just super cold in the winter, or you know, your dog's in the car, whatever the case may be, and you don't want to turn the truck off. We have what we call pit stop mode. So on the factory key, or if you guys have an aftermarket key fob, you activate remote start. So you're going to hit lock 3 times. So this activates remote start. You wait about 5 seconds, take the key out, and now you can see the tack over here we're running. So the process is push the unlock, you can get out. Your truck is still running, so tap the lock button. Now you can run into the store, do what you need to do. It's still going to run for 15 minutes because you activated remote start before you got out. But then when you come back out, you simply hit unlock, get in, do the takeover procedure that you just saw, and drive away.